When we have anxiety and depression, sometimes, the negative judgments are coming at us a mile a minute. Mindfulness allows us to step outside of that and just be and just observe the world around us and kind of reset, the pattern of thought that's going on in our minds. There's many different ways to do mindfulness. For younger kids, I really, encourage them just to take a moment and pay attention to their senses and just observe what they feel through their senses. So I have a 7-year-old kid, and one thing I've taught my kid to do is to just sit with our dog, who's not actually a trained therapy dog, but she's great. And, just pay attention to kind of what it feels like to pet the dog, what the texture of the fur is, what the fur looks like. And that just allows the brain to kind of get out of its loop. I have them put together a little calm kit that has something in it that tastes good to them that, could be had during class, like maybe minty gum or a peppermint. Something that smells good, so a nice smelling lotion, and then something that kind of feels good, so like a fidget or texture that kind of feels, good to them. I think the last thing about mindfulness is really part of it is participating fully. I think sometimes we don't allow ourselves to be fully involved in an activity, right? If you're at track practice, to allow your mind to be fully at track practice, right? And if you see it wander somewhere else, bring it back to what you're doing at practice. Or if you're with your friend or talking with your friend, put the phone aside, right? And not be thinking about other notifications you're getting, just to be fully present with your friend. And I think that's something that we've lost a bit of, especially with technology as being fully present, and especially with these things that are dinging on our wrists, right? And so I think that's another key part of mindfulness that would really be helpful.